debates at 9 p.m.
From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Powered by General Air Conditioners.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Many of you, so many of you have written, so many of you have called, and just so many of you have supported our stand on the brutally, what I believe has been an officially sanctioned killing of Hindu sons in Palghar in Maharashtra. It is a campaign for justice as far as the Republic Network is concerned. And for your support, I am deeply grateful. As we fight this battle against COVID together, it is important for all of us to keep a keen eye on what's happening around us. And more at this time and henceforth, not allow injustice to pass through the back alley. And this network, I promise you, the Republic Network, will always stand. This network, as long as it is broadcasting, will always stand against the hypocrisy of those people who have worked so hard against national interest, and especially at this time. So tonight, I especially request you to stay with me till the end of debate 2. Because you and I need to be together in taking on the forces who have from India joined hands with Pakistan at this time. These people have, together with their paymasters in Islamabad, tried to sputter on a lie that there is Islamophobia in India. And as a consequence of their evil joint venture with the Pakistanis, they've got some powerful forces in the Islamic countries to pass judgments on India being an anti-Muslim nation. Now, as all of us know, nothing could be a greater lie than that. But tonight, we must all come together and defend our country. We must start a counter-campaign exposing the real intentions of those whose only motivation is presenting India falsely as anti-minority. The same forces, remember, viewers, who did not speak a word on what happened in Palghar. We are debating that at 10 o'clock tonight, viewers. At 10 o'clock tonight, the Republic Network will take on the lobby that has joined hands with Pakistan at this time. But before that, coming up first this evening, viewers, it is astonishing. What Mamata Banerjee has been doing is an embarrassment to herself. No end to her strange behavior as more evidence comes out of what she's trying to conceal in Bengal. And here are the headlines, ladies and gentlemen, this Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight.
ज़्यादा संख्या में 705 लोग रिकवर हुए हैं, क्योर हुए हैं, and it takes our recovery percentage to 17.48%.
India inches closer to the 19,000 mark, but the COVID recovery rate has zoomed up to 17.48%. India is on the right path to flatten the curve. No new cases reported in 61 districts of India in the last 2 weeks. Blocked for 24 hours, Mamata finally allows the central team to work after a stern warning from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Politics takes precedence for Mamata in the COVID battle. She calls the centre's review adventure tourism.
मोदी जी हमेशा 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों के हितों की बात करते हैं। अगर ये किसी को नहीं दिख रहा है तो ये उनकी अपनी समस्या है।
Modi minister demolishes Islamophobia narrative peddled by Pakistan. And silent on the lynchings of sadhus, the lobby is latching on to the Islamophobia lie. We will expose them with ease at 10 p.m. tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, for close to 24 hours, two teams from the central government were blocked and even barricaded by Mamata Banerjee's administration. They were not allowed, and I repeat, they were not allowed to conduct field visits. When after the Ministry of Home Affairs' stern warning, she allowed the team to finally move, she ensured that her police officers were tailing them a few inches away. We really wonder today what Mamata is trying to hide. Is politics more important to her? Is concealing facts more important to her than public safety? It is just getting absolutely embarrassing now. We have a big debate coming up now.
What began as a political face-off between Mamata Banerjee and the central government over the Home Ministry's decision to send a team of experts to the state of West Bengal in order to assist and assess the situation in 7 critical areas took an unexpected turn this morning when the Mamata administration went all out to block the interministerial central teams.
The other point, which is also being, barricade is being put up now. Whether this is a protocol or not, or just mandatory checking of the area, is something that is completely unclear.
Senior officials who landed in Kolkata at 10:10 a.m. on Monday were made to wait for close to 30 hours for the state's assistance.
Today we were informed that there are some issues and we will not be going out. In fact, we made it very clear that we would be moving around only with a state government liaison officer because our work can be effective only in case the state government comes with us.
Interestingly, in her complaint letter to the Prime Minister, the Bengal Chief Minister claimed that the central teams kept the state government in the dark and began field visits without consulting officials. Senior bureaucrats and members of the IMCT claim otherwise.
We have already visited Navarna and we also visited the central government institution, which is NICET. These are the only 2 places.
While Mamata's nephew used the controversy to play the Bengali card with this tweet accusing the centre of crippling the state with faulty kits, her trusted lieutenants didn't disappoint either.
Unfortunately, the central government is going all out fighting the states. Is this the spirit of federalism? Is this what is enshrined in our constitution?
Hours later, when the MHA stepped in with a strongly worded letter warning the TMC government against restraining and obstructing central teams, the Chief Minister was forced to relent, but she made sure the teams are accompanied by huge police teams.
The most important visual that we are getting to see is that their convoy is being escorted by Kolkata police, and that itself speaks volumes that maybe after the meeting a solution maybe was brought in, and maybe that is the reason why they are being escorted by Kolkata police.
As per the data available on the official Bengal government website, the number of active cases in the state stand at 274 and there are 15 deaths linked to coronavirus. So why were central teams blocked for over 30 hours? Why did Mamata obstruct teams sent to assist the state? For Mamata, is political ego above public interest? Chief ministers of 3 other states had no objection. Why did Mamata make it about federalism? Is Mamata putting politics above people's lives, or does she not want the Bengal COVID truth to come out? Let's debate.
like to welcome everyone. This is really hurting, and to believe today, Nalin Kohli, that the Trinamool Congress is saying that the centre is at war with states. How is the centre at war with states? Which state is the centre at war with? I mean, what was Derek O'Brien talking about? So I want to give an opportunity for Tauseef. Let me be very indulgent tonight and ask Tauseef to let's get Tauseef to tell us exactly, what that pantomime was, which Mamta Banerjee was indulging in. What is this drama? Everybody in the whole country is laughing at Mamta Banerjee and the way the Bengal government is behaving. What is the insecurity? What is the worry? Please tell me. Rajasthan, Maharashtra not giving any trouble, but Mamta Banerjee is behaving as if someone's coming to take her toy away from her. I mean, she's writing urgent letters, Tauseef, to the Prime Minister. She's blocking a team sent by the centre to assess the COVID situation, to help the people of Bengal in select parts of the state and focus on the complaints on the implementation of the lockdown measures. I mean, today, after all the desperate measures to stop the centre stop, she puts a whole ring of the local police to surround the IMCT team as if this IMCT team is a danger to the people of Bengal. I mean, the Ministry of Home Affairs had to raise this in their press conference today. IMCT had to have a press conference to say that teams in Kolkata and Jalpaiguri are being stopped from visiting the areas and not allowed to make an assessment of the situation in Bengal. What a shame. What a shame, Tauseef. Yes, please have your say now.
Now, I'm glad that you brought up the letter dated 20th April, which the Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee wrote to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But you must also throw some light what was the content of that letter. That letter says that the central team landed in Kolkata airport via Air India special flight at 10 a.m. in the morning.
What?
And the Home Minister personally spoke with the Chief Minister at 1 p.m., which is after they had already landed. Now, the order which talked about central team going to the state, order of 19th April, which talked about the central team going to the state, that was received just half an hour before the team already arrived. Now, you all know that there is established protocol that the center and the state has to maintain. Now, this is clearly a breach of that established protocol.
Nalin also wants to respond. Nalin goes first.
State government has to provide logistic support. But the center, they approached central forces, they approached BSF, they approached SSB. In the center talked about the districts, talked about
Kalimpong. Are you out of your mind?
The last infection was 2nd April. Talked about Jalpaiguri, last infection detected on 4th April. Talked about Darjeeling, last infection was detected on 16th April. Now, there is a rule, there are established procedure and protocol that the center has to follow.
Thank you, Tauseef. Please complete. Thank you. I'll tell you one thing, viewers. This is remarkable about Bengal. 1 second, please. Thank you, Tauseef. Stop it now. Now I've heard you enough. Now I've heard you enough. You must hear the other side, right? You need to hear the other side. You need to hear the other side. I want the people of India to decide. A minute, please, Tauseef. Tauseef, you will have to stop. You are in love with your own voice. Now you are reading out what Mamta has sent you, because I'm sure she's going to send you a chocolate biscuit after this for behaving well. My question is not that. My question is this. My question is this. Thank you, Tauseef. I think Nalin is wanting to respond to you. You see, the issue is, viewers, you are looking, you see, Nalin, just 1 minute, please, before you come in. Technicalities, you didn't get my permission, I wrote you a letter, you landed half an hour before schedule, you should have written it and sent it in photocopy to me. For God's sake, people in Bengal are the ones affected. You are hiding the situation on the ground. The more emergency measures, the better it is for the people of Bengal. And you are actually, it seems to me, absolutely, I'm convinced that Mamta wants the situation to go out of hand. Now, I want a response from Nalin Kohli. And Tauseef, be so kind to listen to him. Nalin Kohli is responding to you. The debate is on. Now, after Nalin, it's going to be an open debate. Go on.
The people who are in Bengal are human beings first, they are citizens of India first, and then they reside in the state of Bengal. And this is an emergency situation. This is not a situation made by the BJP or RSS or any of the fancy fears that that the leadership of Bengal tries to constantly play up. Under Section 35 of the National Disaster Act, it's clear that the centre shall take the steps that are required to be taken. This came up before the Honourable Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has said the expectation is states will cooperate. And states are.
Ravi.
The very behaviour of West Bengal raises a question. What are they trying to hide? What is it that they are fearful that someone from outside the state will see? When reports are coming in that there is a problem in Bengal, which the government there is denying. And at the end of the day, this is a national emergency in terms of a crisis of a pandemic. The government is doing it in the interest of the country, which includes West Bengal. It's not outside the country. But I find it amazing that West Bengal, the Chief Minister and the Trinamool Congress is more interested in sorting this out to bureaucraties. Is the BSF not an Indian force? Is the SSB not part of the entire structure of India?
Let me respond to Mr. Kohli,
please. The CRPF is not? Are they foreigners? I mean, if the central team says, I am well equipped, I don't need any help, are you going to force them and say, no, you have to take my help so that I can take you on a conducted tour? Let them go. If you have nothing to fear, why have you got anything to hide? Let them go where they wish to go. Maharashtra doesn't have a problem. Rajasthan doesn't have a problem. Are they BJP states? They are also going to a BJP.
Nobody's stopping you.
The idea is if there is a sick person which should be identified as testing acting as per norms.
This is the thing, Arnav. What Mr. Kohli is explaining.
Also, let's not forget.
Let's be clear about one thing.
Is revealing that
this is the critical situation where central can intervene. There's no doubt about it. But thing is this, the entirely state and the law and administration, it's under the jurisdiction of state only. This is a state matter only. And this is totally unethical and it is against democracy. If the central is going to intervene without any prior intimation to the Chief Minister,
unethical.
This is
living in Indian life is ethical, and that includes Bengalis.
This is
it is unethical to prevent the life
if you are Mr. Kohli,
to take action to save somebody's life.
If you are genuinely interested for doing such help to the people of Bengal, so why can't you release the 36,000 crores? What a due! Why can't you send 9?
I knew you will come to money. I knew you will come to money. The only thing you are interested is in money and loot. Let there be dead bodies. Let people die in Bengal. That is not your worry. Let people suffer in Bengal. That is not your worry. Murder Ma, Mati, Manush and put in a regime that doesn't care for its own people. That is not your worry. But yours is, Arey, ye na mera katora, mujhe paisa dijiye. Ye na mera katora. What are you reducing Bengal to? Are you not concerned about the people in West Bengal?
Why faulty kids? Today is a day when 713 tests happened in a single day. And because of this, BJP and the central government is trying to show a picture to the entire country that nothing is going right in West Bengal. Today, West Bengal wants to know, why is this desperation? Why is this desperation?
Yes,
why fake videos? Why actors are paid to make fake videos?
Yes.
Why faulty kids?
Because
today the people of West
the Chief Minister is not in control.
Where are the promises of
the Chief Minister is not in control. The Chief Minister is totally clueless. The Chief Minister is not having the Chief Minister is not having the interest of the people of Bengal central to her calculations. That is why you have an adventure tourism in a state where the Chief Minister herself is a wildlife. Chief Minister herself has gone berserk. And Chief Minister, when a Chief Minister goes berserk, you will definitely have adventure tourism. And that is what it will be. And as Nalinji pointed out, and Nalinji was right that all that you are interested is the 36,000 crores. You don't care about the dead bodies. You don't care about the healthcare. You don't care about what you are doing. You are nitpicking. What is this?
Why not the money given to the state which has been promised? Where are the food?
So that you will
Where
loot.
is the money?
So that Mamata
Why
Banerjee
40
will loot.
kids?
So that
The people
Mamata
of West
Banerjee
Bengal
will
wants to
loot.
know.
Let me ask you a
You
question.
must tell the people of
Let me ask you, Siddhabrata, one second. MR and Siddhabrata, let me bring this debate to some consequence. MR, 1 minute. MR a minute. MR a minute. MR a minute. No, MR a minute. Commonsensical. Nalin is responding. Nalin.
Feel ashamed that human life is more valuable than some rupees that you keep bringing up money, and did not the state central government release the money 2 days ago, 40,000 crores plus.
Nalin.
Bengal also got it. I mean, a day has not passed when the funds have been devolved to you, and at the same time you're saying ordo. Why are you hiding it? If there is something wrong, the government of India will help you do it right.
Let me ask a question which many viewers are asking right now. Viewers, 1 minute. Everyone's on the screen. 1 minute. Siddhabrata, be quiet for a minute. The critical question is Kanchan Gupta. Now 1 minute here. Be quiet. The critical question is, you say there is no problem and hence the central team is not required. Let's look at the logic being followed here, Kanchan Gupta. They are saying, oh, there is no problem in Bengal, everything is fine. There are hardly any corona cases, there is total lockdown, nobody is going out. There are no Friday prayers in Murshidabad and Hooghly. Metia Bruce, Garden Reach, everybody is lying. Mamta, there are no corpses lying in hospitals where quarantine patients are next to bodies of people who have died of COVID. Everything is all right in the Bangur hospital. The videos being put out are fake. Everything is fine. Sweet shops are open. We will soon start giving liquor also. Everything is fine. Are Baba. And then you are saying, I want 34,000 crores. My question is, wait a minute. Act minute. 1 second, Siddhabrata. 1 minute, Siddhabrata. Kanchan Gupta, 1 minute. Kanchan Gupta, Siddhabrata on the debate. My question is, 1 second. Siddhabrata, listen to me. Kanchan Gupta, on the one side they're saying there is no problem. On the other side they are saying we want 34,000 crores. If there is no problem, Siddhabrata, why do you want the money?
We are not asking you for your money. This is our money. It is not something you are giving to us.
No.
It is the money that the state...
The logic does not follow.
I'm amazed.
We have not got the GST.
Kanchan Gupta.
I'm amazed at the high volume, high decibel, utter lies which are being mentioned over here. I wish whoever this chap is...
Siddhabrata, his name is Siddhabrata TMC.
If he can just step back and keep quiet for a moment, because he doesn't even know what he's talking about. Advanced funds before the due date for the month of April, amounting to the state's share as per the Finance Commission's formula, was released to every state yesterday. So this man doesn't even know what he's talking about.
Siddhabrata.
SDRF for the last few months were not released. Why yesterday? We are in the battle for almost 1 month and you are releasing funds now and you are doing
Gupta.
You are embarrassing Bengal and you are embarrassing every Bengali. Your ignorance is an embarrassment for every Bengali. Just keep quiet. Now, Arnab, the question is, for some strange reason, the chief minister of this state thinks that she is a sovereign head. She is not. She is just a chief minister of just another state of the Union of India. Under law, under the National Disaster Management Act, the center does not need her permission, her approval or her consultation to send a central team to inspect the ground situation over there. They are bluffing. They have handled the COVID pandemic very badly. They have terrorized doctors into not telling the truth. She has set up a bogus committee to clear every case of COVID, and the committee will of course say that nobody suffers from COVID.
Can you tell me what the letter reads which is written by the Chief Secretary, Mr. Ajay Bhalla, to Mr. Sinha, the Chief Secretary of
for the country
West
and a shame for Bengal
Mr.
because
Gupta,
of one person's ego.
Please listen to me. Don't have a one-side
No,
monologue.
I don't need to listen to you.
Me.
I don't need to listen to a goofer like you. I don't need to listen to a goofer like you.
Will visit to assess the lockdown situation only.
The teams will visit
and nothing else.
Whatever it
What for center is trying to send a team to assess the lockdown situation, which is a law and order issue and can be handled by the state. Where is the need to send a central team for that? Why don't you send your central team to Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, where there are 2,000 cases?
You don't know the law.
Why don't you send a team
Secretary of
there?
Government of India, which means he's the Home Secretary of India.
Here is the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, which is seen on the street every day. She is working among the people. She is
Home
doing
Affairs,
her best.
headed by Amit
And
Shah ji,
is
is the nodal ministry that works in terms of implementing all these state issues.
Absolutely under control. And we have no reason to force upon...
Mr. Goswami, let me make this clear to this gentleman who's completely confused.
Even then, if
the Home Secretary of India, Mr. Bhalla, is writing a letter to the Chief Secretary of Bengal, he's entitled to, he's meant to, and it is part of the constitutional scheme in this emergency situation for the Home Ministry, which is with the nodal agency, to ensure that all the directives are duly followed.
Okay, I'm opening up now to... Okay, since there is an attempt being made... 1 minute, may I come in for a minute, please, gentlemen? Since there is an attempt being made, I truly believe, to ensure that the people of Bengal do not get to know the reality, and with everyone on the screen, I appeal to the people of Bengal. I am appealing to the people of Bengal. আপনাদের সবাইকে আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করছি 1 minute I'm now one sentence in Bengali please and then they'll hear me আমি আপনারা যদি আজকে পশ্চিমবঙ্গে আমাকে শুনতে পারছেন আর আপনাদের চ্যানেলগুলো সত্যি কথাগুলো আপনাকে বলছেন না তাহলে টুইটারে এই হ্যাশট্যাগটা ইউজ করে করোনা পলিটিক্স হার্টটা ইউজ করে আপনি আমাকে বলুন কি কলকাতায় সিচুয়েশনটা কি হ্যাশট্যাগ করোনা পলিটিক্স হার্টস আই এম রিকোয়েস্টিং হ্যাঁ তৌসিফ আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করছি আজকে আমি কলকাতার লোককে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি পশ্চিমবঙ্গের লোককে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি কি মমতা ব্যানার্জি ওখানে কি করছে আপনি কি এটা এগ্রি করে কি সেন্ট্রাল টিমকে ব্লক করার পুরো চেষ্টাটা হয়েছে Thank you, viewers. I just wanted to address them in Bengali for a bit. Now, Swapan Dasgupta is on the debate.
You don't have to coach them.
What are you saying? What are you saying there, Ravi? Ravi?
You're provoking people against the Chief Minister. Unfair.
Tosif, what are you saying? What are you saying, Tosif?
দাম হচ্ছে 6,000-7,000 টাকা ওই দামটা কমিয়ে দাও 4,500 প্লাস ট্যাক্সেস এই হচ্ছে দাম টেস্টিং কিটের প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে বলে দাও যে টেস্টিং কিটের উপরে tax collect na kore.
Now he's trying to change the subject of the debate. No, 1 second. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hoy ke gelen? Dada, hoy ke geche? 1 minute. I will speak this and say this in Bengali and then I'll translate it, viewers. This is the last bit of Bengali I will speak on the program tonight. Tosif, puro Kolkatar log phone kore bolche ki apni bhoy kheye gechen. কি আমি বললাম ফোন লাইন খুলে দিই এখন বন্ধ করবেন ফোন লাইন চ্যানেলকে বন্ধ করবেন ব্লক করবেন বাগুর হাসপাতালে কি হয়েছে বলুন মিথ্যা কথা বলবেন না আমার সাথে Swapan Dasgupta is on the program Swapan Dasgupta my question to you now is Swapan Dasgupta my question to now to you is Swapan Dasgupta what on earth is going on in Bengal the ICMT team has faced barricades today calm down Tosif you can't block the people of Bengal you can't block the people of India the ICMT team has faced barricades there was a desperate attempt Swapan Dasgupta
which is very unfortunate, not because political theatre shouldn't be there in the country, but because it is happening at the time of the coronavirus. Today, Ms. Mamata Banerjee accuses the centre of discourtesy. That is her fundamental thing. We weren't told about it before. This had been preceded by 3 letters. advisories, call it whatever you want to, from the Ministry of Home Affairs, actually identifying 1, 2, 3, 4, what were the steps, what were the lacuna, where all the lockdown wasn't being implemented, even giving the localities in which they were not being implemented. And all of this has been backed up by enough visual evidence in the social media, which I'm sure you must have been privy to as well. So to say that it's an act of discourtesy for the Home Minister to actually ring you up and say, we have a team coming in, and this team is coming in by courtesy of a particular section of the Disaster Management Act 2005, a piece of legislation which Mamata Banerjee was a member of the cabinet when it was enacted. It was done under this. It is not a team which is coming in with the purpose of censuring her. It is with the team with the purpose of actually finding out what the hell is going on, to actually get some depositions from the stakeholders who are there. And I want to particularly raise, there are 4 points which are there, which have been mentioned in the MHA letters. The first one is underreporting. Underreporting of actual cases, underreporting of deaths. And I think the second one is more sinister because it is also accompanied by gruesome tales. And today, West Bengal is full of tales. Some of it I don't undeniably exaggerated, of secret cremations, secret burials which are going on. That's a state of panic which has got into the state today. Of people who are in hospitals, who are lying in bed, next to them is a body of someone who is deceased, and there's no one to take them.
I've seen that.
Junior doctors have complained about it. They have said so. And finally, I want to mention the case of the public distribution system, where a grave, sort of sinister, petty politics is being done on the basis of people's hunger, of the distribution of food, how the distribution of relief is being hindered at every point. Because the state cannot do everything, I do admit that. And the gap is often filled up by voluntary agencies, political parties, good Samaritans, etc. And if you are going to stop that, I think there's something rotten going on in the state of West Bengal. And Mamata Banerjee does protest too much. She is really now today on the defensive, because after that letter, she has gone out to certain areas which had seen a farce of a lockdown. Places like Raja Bazar. Now, some people talk about a Bhilwara model. Some people talk about a Sweden model. Now, today we have a Raja Bazar model, where people can do anything you want to. That's also a model. And that's really what was happening in large parts of West Bengal. Howrah, which by her own admission, the situation is dire, on the verge of collapse. Now, under these circumstances, would it not be an abdication of national responsibility on the part of the centre to say, the spirit of federalism would say that we should look the other way?
I completely agree with you.
That is
in the spirit of the democratic debate,
this is pure.
Swaponda, in the spirit of the democratic debate, and let me tell you this right now. Let me tell you, we broke off in Bengali for a bit on the program because I want to reach out to more people in Bengal, and I'm flooded as of this moment. Tausif, you may not like it. We are flooded with people from Bengal. Our lines are flooded. People are calling us all over Bengal. People are messaging us. Thank you for telling us the truth. Come on now, Tausif. Let me tell you one thing about the truth. It tends to creep up from places where you wouldn't expect it to. Tausif, my question is right now, and Ravi, 1 minute. Ravi, 1 minute. While Swapan Das Gupta was speaking after Kanchan Gupta, may I say this, Rahul, I come to you because you have a tendency to occasionally stop, which Tausif doesn't. The points being made there by Swapan Das Gupta are very important. What does she not want us to see? She protests too much, he says. But she protests because she's concealing. She's very worried. Now, we've seen decomposing dead bodies in hospitals. Do they not want us to see that? Decomposing bodies on the beds of the MR Bangur Hospital in Taliganj. which is the city's first COVID-19 hospital alongside patients. Allow me to complete, Rahul. Here the reality in its brutality. The reality in its entire brutality will be presented to you. Now, it was only today Swapan Dasgupta mentioned Howrah. Now, people of Bengal, let me tell you about Howrah. The Howrah DM passed an order today to close all private, state government and central offices of the Howrah Municipal Corporation. Last minute action to hide the laxity of the system. Now, what do you not want us to see? The Odisha government, please understand, the truth will come out. The Odisha government, hello, not a BJP government. The Odisha government is saying today, Swapan Dasgupta, Rahul, that 24 of the 74 COVID cases in the state have travel history to West Bengal. Do you understand what I'm saying? 24 of 74 have travel history to West Bengal. But Mamata Banerjee is saying West Bengal has hardly got any cases. So is Naveen Patnaik also anti-Mamata? The Health and Family Welfare Department of Odisha is saying that all with the travel history to West Bengal during the last 28 days are requested to inform the local Sarpanch, BDO, Tehsildar and quarantine themselves at home. Do you think the Odisha government is mad to do that? Do you think the Odisha government is mad to do that? I mean, what do you want to hide? I'm telling you today, you can hide nothing now. Rahul, you wanted to counter Swapan Dasgupta. Please do. I'll give all of you an opportunity. Counter Nalin, counter MR, counter Swapan Dasgupta, but for God's sake, with facts.
Arnab, this is a simple question. Why you are criticizing Mamata Banerjee all the time?
Is that a question?
Glorifying Mr. Narendra Modi
silly.
As a Prime Minister, we are supporting him because this is not the time for politics. We must fight together if we agree with this point. So why you are criticizing Mamata Banerjee?
That's a terrible point to make. I give that a pass. Ravi, that's not worth responding to. Ravi.
The government has to clear...
Arnab, what I want to say that first of all, Mamata Banerjee has got a much better record in this country in fighting the COVID-19 compared to the Gujarat, compared to the Madhya Pradesh, compared to the other
Swapan will respond to that.
Why don't you send the teams over there? We're in the hurry to send the team to Calcutta or
teams have gone.
No problem.
Teams have come to Mumbai today.
You commit.
Teams have come to Madhya Pradesh. Stop victimizing. Stop playing the victim narrative.
You go and report it. But your letter says
I need to read some tweets.
It is only for assessing the lockdown. So who will give the information?
Okay, Swapan Dasgupta respond. Swapan Dasgupta will respond. Swapan Dasgupta will respond. Swapan Dasgupta will respond.
Support center is giving.
Ravi, keep quiet now. You know, after if you don't keep quiet, how will he speak? Ravi, thanks. Let him respond. Yeah.
I don't want to contest the BJP stooges. They can say anything.
BJP stooge? Who's the BJP stooge? Watch your language.
Question, yes.
What are you? A Vadra stooge?
Enough of their sermons. I'm not for that. What I'm saying is
okay, I heard you, man.
Who is on the street? You see it. How many chief ministers are there on the street today?
Thank you very much.
Even 4, I'll be very happy with you.
Thank you, Ravi. You made your point. Don't stretch it. Swapan respond. Move on to the next. Come on. Yeah, Swapan respond. Swapan respond.
No, Arnab, if you could just repeat what he said, because it's
yeah, well, he basically said, I mean, if I dissect through the verbose virulence that was on display right now, what he essentially said, how can you criticize Mamata Banerjee?
How can we criticize Mamata Banerjee?
Yeah.
I think the evidence is very compelling in this respect. I think Mamata Banerjee, for reasons which are completely inexplicable, and let me assure you that I am completely mystified as to why Mamata Banerjee, to begin with, has chosen to underreport what has been there. Now, each day, each one of us get reports. Today I've got cases of 10 reported cases in Hooghly district. Now, I am convinced that tomorrow those figures will not find any place or any mention in the number of people who are infected with coronavirus. Why is that? What is she trying to prove? I think it began with a rather silly attempt on her part to actually be in denial over the Nizamuddin episode. Then one led to the other. With the result, we created bureaucratic firewalls in the path of accurate reporting. Whether of people who are suffering from the disease,
I am grateful.
Why you are not saying a single thing on the faulty kids?
This
Why not
has
a single
resulted
thing on the
also.
faulty kids?
This policy of denial has also resulted.
1 minute, 1 minute. Swapan Das Gupta, 1 minute. 1 minute, please, gentlemen. 1 minute, 1 minute. You don't speak over each other. 1 minute. Swapan Das Gupta, 1 minute. Please wait. Please wait. Lots of responses. Mr. Das Gupta, Nalin Kohli, Kanchan Gupta, everyone on the program. Give me a minute, please, Swapan Das. I need to read out. I think it's an avalanche of messages I'm getting. If I can just be given a moment, please. 15 minutes back, when I spoke in my rather poor Bengali, I appealed to the people of Bengal to write to us. We are being swamped by messages. Shohini Das from Kolkata writes, I'm really worried about what's going on in Bengal. We are worried for our parents and relatives there. We are feeling scared for them. Pritam Banerjee says there is utter callousness and downplaying of the gravity of the situation. Chiranjit Roy from Kolkata says, thank you, Chiranjit. There is no lockdown here. Ranaghat, Noida district, West Bengal. Is he lying? Tell me, Shubhajit, is Chiranjit lying? Ayana Mitra says, question the Chief Minister and question the authorities till we have a definite answer, if not more. There are others who are saying the stats in Bengal are severely suppressed. Doctors are agitated. 1 minute. Doctors are agitated, patients in quarantine are raising objections, sensible citizens are in worry. West Bengal will continue to suffer even after the rest of the country suffers from corona. Politics should be kept aside in this emergency. You've lost the faith of the people of Bengal. Yes, Shubhajit, go on.
I have a simple question to the BJP person that the central team will investigate the black marketing of the dishonest Marwadis in West Bengal.
What? What do you mean by that? I mean, what kind of a comment is that? What kind of a comment is that? 1 minute. The least expected comment from you, but anyway, Nalin Kohli.
You are not demeaning a whole community. Black marketing by Marwadis. Oh my God, you're making this a community fight now. Targeting a community there. Would you say the same for the Bangladeshis who have come into your state? Would you say that those people are eating away the jobs and eating away the resources of them? Would you say the same for the Rohingyas who have been illegally settled there? Would you say the same for the people who have been hung on trees because they have supported the BJP? They've been murdered, they've been brutalized.
I tell you, no, that's not worth responding to. Kanchan Gupta, no, 1 minute. No. We will not go down that way. Shubhajit, I don't think that even worth is responding to. That's not worth responding to. The question is, let's bring some substance into the debate.
Every black marketing person.
Thank you. I'm not going to waste time with you, Shubhajit. Now let's get Tausif back. Yeah.
Things are brought up like this very. I think it's a very bigoted, hateful comment that was just now made on live TV. And that person should either apologize or he should be taken off air, but that is your editorial discretion. Swapan has made a point, and that point needs elaboration. Clearly, the government of West Bengal, for absolutely inexplicable reasons, is desperate that the world should not get to know as to what is the actual situation in the state. Now, she does not want the media to know. She does not want the union government to know. She does not want other state governments to know. Yet she goes and sets up a global resources team for West Bengal. She does not want to share facts, figures, and data with the government of India, but she has set up a global team with non-Indians as members, and with them she will share facts, figures, and data. Is the government of West Bengal now a sovereign government within the Union of India? These are very important questions because they sort of indicate a certain mindset which is building up in that state, that this state is not answerable to the Union of India, that this state is not accountable to the government of India, that this state does not accept or absorb the laws of India. Now, it has been repeatedly stated over here, the interministerial central teams have been sent under the National Disaster Management Act. That act has been invoked. It is now, right now, applicable in the country. The center does not need. Wait a second. Learn something for a change.
By a central act.
Please learn something for a change.
The concurrence of a state.
Don't display your ignorance. The center does not need the state government's concurrence. You are ignorant and you are lying on top of that. Under this act, the center does not need your concurrence or your permission or your acceptance. And you are in defiance. You are in defiance of the Supreme Court's judgment saying that the state governments must comply with whatever the center decides to do. You are unaware that the Epidemic Diseases Act is enforced.
No. You see the picture being presented. The picture being presented. Nalin Kohli, the picture being presented is as if West Bengal is being targeted. Please, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Bureaucrats have been sent everywhere. They are not BJP Padadhikaris. Ashok Gehlot was meeting the team. Was he not, Ravi? Did Ashok Gehlot not meet the team? He even approached the central team about the situation in the state. And Rajasthan Health Minister Raghu Sharma said that we are here to help the team.
They've got more than 2,000 cases. You rightfully send it there. There is no problem. Send it to Gujarat also. They have got 2,000 cases. Send it to Madhya Pradesh. Send it to the states which have got high
there
number
again you started. What are you hiding? What are you so scared? Then come on, if you have nothing to hide, take every camera team available in India. Start with the Republic camera team. Tell them to go into all the hospitals that Mr. Goswami is mentioning and say, look at these. These are model hospitals. We want even President Trump and other countries to see how good Bengal is. Forget about the government of India. Show it to the world. But the point is you have something to hide. You are petrified. That's why you are making all arguments that are raised.
You need to understand here, and Siddhabroto, can I say this to you, Siddhabroto? MR, the point that Siddhabroto must understand is this, that Bengal is not a sovereign republic. You know, even Mehbooba Mufti could not get away with this kind of attitude in Kashmir. Bengal is a state within the Union of India.
Federal government, the Constitution of India has given the federal structure to our country.
Can you lower his feeder for a minute, because it's something important.
And health belongs to the state subject.
This is not a law and order, damn it. This is not a law and order. Get your law right. This is not a law and order issue. This is a pandemic. This is a pandemic, and pandemics need to be treated.
Just 2 weeks ago, New York Times came with a picture of how...
Can't hear, MR.
And Nalin ji was making up in case of the...
Nalin is back.
States.
No, Nalin.
The people of West Bengal wants to know why is this desperation? You are circulating fake videos. Fake videos are getting circulated. People are hired as actors to make...
Sir, if you are saying this is circulating fake videos, then why don't you allow the media and the teams to go there and show the real situation? Why don't you also invite all media teams from national channels to go there and stand there and take the videos of this so-called wonderful situation that is in Bengal? You are the ones resisting it and then saying it is not the truth. You can't have the arguments both ways. I will hide everything, and what I'm saying is the gospel truth. Because there is no oracle sitting in West Bengal. That is an elected government by the people of Bengal, which is supposed to serve the people of Bengal.
Why faulty kids? Why fake videos?
Siddhabroto, 1 minute here. I'm being patient with you.
Now why faulty kids?
No, 1 minute. 1 minute. Nalin.
Now it's a conspiracy theory.
Nalin, her conspiracy was, you know what she says about the PPE kits when the PPE kits first came in? It was the greatest politicization when Mamta Banerjee, if you'll remember, Rahul, you're there with me. Rahul and MR Venkatesh are on the debate. Mamta Banerjee said, why is the color of the PPE kits yellow? They should have been blue.
Let me explain you something, Arnab.
There's nothing left to explain after that.
Right at the words. Yeah.
Did she say that or not?
Bengal is a state in Union of India. Bengal is a state. So that is why we want the federal structure. We want that. We want the respect. Why this? Why can't they?
You are undeserving of respect.
Central government has to maintain
People like
balance.
you are
And
undeserving
if they
of
don't want
respect.
democracy, we will move towards anarchy.
People like you who come and defend the indefensible. People like you who come and sort of
You have
start
to respect
creating
the federal structure.
an imaginary
And you are right,
scenario
Arnab,
of the
because this is
country
a
against
state
West Bengal. You create
in
this
Union of
victimhood
India
story of the center victimizing West
and
Bengal.
Mamata Banerjee,
You are undeserving of
she
respect.
just want
You are an
the exact
insult to all
result.
Bengalis.
Viewers, I've got so many messages. I need to read them. Anjan is messaging. Anjan Bhattacharya says it is bad luck for people of Bengal that at such a critical time, the Chief Minister is behaving like an immature politician. Saurav from Kolkata writes, before saying why West Bengal, go out and assess data. In West Bengal, test is done.
why you have not done in Maharashtra.
It is simple. If you don't test, the number should be. A team has been sent to Maharashtra. How many times will I repeat myself on that? Avik Bose says, if only Bengal media had 10% of the courage and spine shown by Republic, then things would have been very different. I appeal to the Bengal media. Liberate yourself. Serve the people of Bengal. Don't serve Mamata Banerjee. Diganta Bhattacharya says, a very bad situation. People in Damdam are not at all maintaining lockdown and social distancing. Adda is on. Central help is required. Are all these people making up facts, Siddhabrata? What about all these people who are messaging us? Do you hear them, Tausif?
Have you noticed something interesting? Each one of them who is writing to you is wanting the lockdown because they want to be safe.
Yes.
And this is a government that does not want its own people to be safe.
Arnab, can I just make a 30-second? I just want to make a very personal point. Arnab, I just want to make a very personal point.
Go on.
You know, I am a Bengali. My father lives alone in Calcutta. And today, my biggest regret is that I failed to get him out of Calcutta to where I live by the last flight out of Calcutta. I am sorry I trusted this particular state government, and if anything were to happen to him, that would be a regret I will carry for the rest of my life. And when I see these people who come here and say they demand respect, they come here and say things as if they are the sole spokespersons of Bengal. It is laughable. Bengal is not your feudal property. Bengal has not ceded from India as yet. There is no Republic of Bengal. It is just a state of the Union of India. Behave like a state of the Union of India.
Please tell us
Subhojit.
if he has faced a single problem.
You
cannot say a single problem.
You will probably go and kill him.
Whether he has faced a single
That is the
problem
level of trust we have in the TMC.
You must say. There is nothing that you can say.
What do you mean?
Completely safe in the state. Completely safe within
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. And if I were to tell you further details, probably you would go and target him. That is what the TMC is, and that is what we're trying to hide.
Don't make a comment from 2,000 kilometers away.
Who's this? Who's this?
It's me.
Ravi.
It's me.
Ravi Srivastava.
Huh?
What's the problem?
I am a regular visitor to Calcutta.
What visitor? Go and live there. Everybody can be visitor and can see from a distance.
You don't need to make it personal, Ravi. I think Kanchan Das said something and he prefaced by saying he was referring to something personal. Your response is terrible. Viewers, you don't need politics, you need acts of solidarity. And if everything is fine, why do you need to tail the IMCT team? Something's wrong. She's hiding something. She should not be hiding as of now. She should, for the first time in her political life, learn to be transparent. The lens is on you, Mamata Banerjee. People are watching. On the other side tonight, ladies and gentlemen, debate number 2, where we are not going to spare those who say that our country has any element of Islamophobia. See you on the other side.